In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly which screen to use, what each field means, and how to save the payment so it's ready to match with your bank later. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing into your company. From the main workspace, look for the option labeled Receive Payment. Depending on your layout, you might find it from the New or Plus New menu or within your Sales and Invoicing area. This is the correct place to record money you've received from a customer, including checks, because it ensures payments are applied to open invoices and your accounts stay accurate. Once you're on the Receive Payment screen, select the customer who sent you the check. As soon as you choose the customer, QuickBooks will show any outstanding invoices for them. If the check is paying off specific invoices, tick those invoices so the payment is applied correctly. If it's an advance or a partial amount, you can leave invoices unchecked or adjust the amount applied to each one. Take a second to verify the payment date matches the date on the check, which will help later when you reconcile. Next, set the payment method to check. This tells QuickBooks exactly what type of payment you're recording. Use the reference or check number field to enter the check number written on the check. Adding that detail now makes it much easier to track and answer questions later. If you want, you can add a brief memo, like the project or invoice range the check covers. Now, choose where the money should go by setting the deposit to field to Undeposited Funds. This is important. Undeposited Funds acts like a temporary holding account for checks and cash you've received but haven't yet grouped into a single bank deposit. It lets you combine multiple checks into one deposit that matches the total you'll see on your bank statement, which keeps bank reconciliation straightforward. Enter the amount you received exactly as it appears on the check. If you're applying the payment to multiple invoices, make sure the total payment equals the sum of what you're allocating. Double-check your entries. Customer date, payment method set to check, deposit to set to undeposited funds, and the amount. When everything looks right, click Save or Save and Close if you're done. That's it. You've recorded the check correctly, applied it to the right customer, and placed it in undeposited funds so it's ready to be included in your next bank deposit.